Okay, what are we taking a look at today? First of all, this video is brought to you by Max pork skins, and these are salt and pepper. They're very fresh. I just got them from the Wally World. And one other project I'm working on is another binge TV project. And this is Quantum Leap. It's the complete series. And it was 5 seasons long, 97 episodes, 76 hours of running, and it ran from 1989 to 1993. Scott Bakula was the main character who traveled through time, and his hologram was Dean Stockwell. Pretty funny guy. And this one is labeled correctly. Ready, set, binge. So that's the next binge project I have going. We'll just put it over there for now. And the Zippo we're looking at today is kind of a novelty. And it says Pabst Blue Ribbon. And there's the first look at the PBR Zippo. And it does have its own copyrighted insert. And it just says Pabst Blue, or Pabst Brewing Company. Pretty plain, but it's a little bit interesting. So there is the PBR Zippo. Looks like it's on street chrome. And it was made in, looks like H of 19. I think that's August. Really good sound. Really good colors on this. It's a sticker. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on the PBR Zippo. It passed and it didn't bounce too much. I'm going to try one more. Now that one bounced nicely, and it still passed the drop test. So it's the PBR Zippo, established in Milwaukee in 1844. And I'm going to put that PBR Zippo right next to a couple of my favorites. The Coors Zippo and the Cowbell Zippo. And that Coors, the Pabst Zippo needs some cowbell for sure. Knuckle bump.